Let the competition begin. Well, I hope we'll be a witness to a meeting full of marvellous moments. From the inner curb as follows: Ty Woffinden, Thomas H. Jonasson, Christoph Kasperzak, and close to the safety fence, Andreas Jonsson. Start. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. Christoph Kasperzak lost a place. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Thomas H. Jonasson last. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Elbow to elbow. First, Andreas Jonsson is overtaken. Thomas H. Jonasson bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. Thomas H. Jonasson is way behind his rivals. Thomas H. Jonasson last. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Thomas H. Jonasson is way behind his rivals. Entering the last bend. Ty Woffinden wins. No stories in this race. It's time for the second round of heats. As follows: Niels Christian Iversen, Ty Woffinden, Jason Doyle, and close to the safety fence, Chris Holder. Start. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. First, Chris Holder. Jason Doyle bringing up the rear. Niels Christian Iversen comes in front. It could end up badly. First, Chris Holder. Jason Doyle bringing up the rear. Chris Holder has let himself be cheated by his rivals. First, Ty Woffinden, close on his tail. Chris Holder takes the lead. Jason Doyle bringing up the rear. What a thrilling moment! Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. A dangerous situation. Jason Doyle is way behind his rival. Chris Holder takes the lead. Chris Holder lost a place. Ty Woffinden taking the checkered flag. Entering the crucial last bend. Ty Woffinden wins. What a wonderful slice of action. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Nicky Pedersen. Blue helmet, wild card. White, Ty Woffinden. Yellow, Troy Batchelor. Take off. A dangerous situation. Troy Batchelor comes in front. Elbow to elbow. First, Troy Batchelor drops into last place. Troy Batchelor bringing up the rear. Elbow to elbow. Nicky Pedersen takes the lead. First, wildcard, lost a place. Troy Batchelor last. Troy Batchelor drops into last place. Nicky Pedersen takes the lead. First, Nicky Pedersen right behind. Troy Batchelor cheated his opponents. Wildcard last. A dangerous situation. The situation changes instantly. Nicky Pedersen lost a place. First, Ty Woffinden. Nicky Mickey Pedersen has let himself be cheated by his rivals, entering the crucial last bend. A dangerous situation. Woffinden is in a class of his own. Well worth it. Next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Matseyanovsky. Blue helmet, Jarek Hampel. White, Matti Zegar. Yellow, Ty Woffinden. Start. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. First, Matti Zegar. Jarek Hampel, last. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Matti Zegar takes the lead. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Jarek Hampel, last. Matti Zegar lost a place. A dangerous situation. Jarek Hampel is still... Matti Zegar has let himself be cheated by his rivals. A dangerous situation. What a thrilling moment. Matseyanovsky takes the lead. Matseyanovsky is overtaken. Jarek Hampel is still in fourth place. Entering the last bend. Ty Woffinden touches the... Matseyanovsky is in a class of his own. It was a fascinating race. It's the last session of the regular part of the meeting. Gates. Red, Greg Hancock. Blue helmet, Michael Jepsen Jensen. White, Ty Woffinden. Yellow, Chris Harris. Teams go up. It could end up badly. Greg Hancock takes the lead. First, Greg Hancock. Chris Harris comes in front. Chris Harris drops into last place. Michael Jepsen Jensen cheated his opponents, elbow to elbow. First, Ty Woffinden. Chris Harris, last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Ty Woffinden, close on his tail, Greg Hancock. Chris Harris bringing up the rear. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Chris Harris is way behind his rivals. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Ty Woffinden taking the checkered flag, entering the last bend. Ty Woffinden wins. It was a fascinating race. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. As follows: Andreas Jonsson, Jarek Hampel, Ty Woffinden, and close to the safety fence, Chris Holder. The tapes rise. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Chris Holder overtakes. Ty Woffinden touches the air fence. Chris Holder last. A dangerous situation. Andreas Jonsson has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Andreas Jonsson takes the lead. First, Andreas Jonsson. Andreas Jonsson takes the lead. Jarek Hampel cheated his opponents. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Andreas Jonsson. Right behind, Ty Woffinden. Elbow to elbow. Andreas Jonsson takes the lead. Jarek Campbell cheated his opponents. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Chris Holder is way behind his rivals. Andreas Jonsson is overtaken, entering the crucial last bend. Ty Woffinden wins. It was a fascinating race. Who else will complete the lineup for the final? As follows: Matti Zegar, Andreas Jonsson, Ty Woffinden, and close to the safety fence, Greg Hancock. Take off. It could end up badly. An even start for the pack. Greg Hancock drops into last place. First, Matti Zegar. Greg Hancock bringing up the rear, elbow to elbow. To a fall, From the inner curb as follows: Andreas Jonsson, Greg Hancock. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. First, Greg Hancock. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. Little distance between the riders. Andreas Jonsson last. Race is at the halfway stage now. Greg Hancock leading from the start. Andreas Jonsson last. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Greg Hancock leading from the start. Entering the last bend. Greg Hancock wins! No stories in this race. Greg Hancock wins this GP round. The remaining medals go to Andreas Jonsson and Ty Woffinden.